Once more you are welcome to the class. Remember, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. The secret of getting ahead is the secret of getting started. So you start the things. When you start the things, you will get each and everything. If you do not start, you are not going to get any. Today, I will give you some tips on the tricks of photography, and along with that, I will tell you how you can do good photography again. But as I have told you, for getting ahead, you need to get start. For start, you start somehow from your home only, by which you can do good photography. Hold your camera, pick up something and go for doing photography. This way, at least you will start. As soon as you will start, you will get something, you will able to improve yourself, you will able to get the chance for improving. You have this opportunity. We are obliged to the school DPS Bokaro. We are obliged to the principal sir for giving us this opportunity that every month we can have one competition which is there in website. You can take part in any kind of photography you are doing, any kind of photography you are doing. You send one or two photographs on your name in the website. You will get at least judge your photograph, and you will start from your home only. There are so many types of photograph you can take when the burner of your gas oven is on, when mother is doing some work, your dadaji, nanaji reading newspaper, playing, your sister or brothers is playing together. Is so many things you can do from your home. Is it? So you need to get start. So today we'll get start, as well as we'll go ahead with some tips for the photography and some photographs. Obviously, as you have seen in the last two videos, that I used to give you some photographs which is some activities taken place in the school or outside the school. Okay. Today I will start from here, that is precautions before clicking a picture. What you do? You do by the help of mobile. You do photography by the help of camera. You just go and click. You do not take care of it. You need to take little bit care because you are learning it. If you are watching this video, you need to take little bit care, maybe of 15 or 20 minutes. You will find lot of things for improving, and one step by one step, as soon as you will improve, you will able to become a good photographer. Anywhere you go, you do, you will be appreciated. Today I will tell you about the precautions. As I have told you, what precaution has to be taken care. First of all, you will find that light. As I have told you, photography is that by which we write by the help of light. If the light is not proper, if you do not get proper light, you cannot do proper photography. You cannot do good photography. But why you need to get the light? You need not to take bath in that light. You need to take the light on the object which you are going to click. So the situation you find out, if this is light, this is light, the light falling on the object, any kind of object is here, maybe it's a big thing, and behind that somebody is there. If you are taking a picture of this in this situation, always you remember that light should fall on the object. When the light is falling on the object, then only the proper reflection you will get and you will able to get good picture. But which kind of light is required? You need a kind of light by which this light will able to give you the reflection of the object which you are clicking. This is a light which is falling on the object. When the light will fall on the object, then only the reflection will take place, and when the reflection will take place, you will get the image inside your camera. That much we know. But many times you will find the light is coming from top, light is coming from this side, light is coming from this side. In these all situations, you cannot do photography. If you do photography, it's not like this, the photography will not come, photography will not take place. Photographs will become, photography will be take place, but the photograph which you want, fair and handsome, that won't come. You will get only a picture. But what we are here, we are here to learn how to do the good photography. So in this case, if the light is there, you need to get the light from that source which is in front of the camera. The object, it should get light. You are not supposed to get the light. Okay, when you are getting that light, it is going to disturb you, and when you are getting disturbed yourself, you won't be able to do photography. So this is the light. This light can come from any side. But what precaution you have to take? When you are clicking a picture, at that time you must know that light which is coming from the source, it should fall on the object. If it doesn't fall on the object, then the photographs which you will get, it won't be good enough. Because you know, light is essential, and that light, at least the beginning, when you are starting photography, at that time is very much required. So for that you need to take care of the light. A light which is required, that will be the minimum, that is a daylight, that is a flashlight. That must be a light which can able to reflect the object, and it should reach to your camera lens for providing it the image which you would like to capture. Things which is required, we are talking about the care or the precaution before clicking a picture. When you do photography, at that time you need to take care of the surrounding where you are doing photography. If you are doing photography, if you are taking a photograph of a beautiful flower, then that surrounding will be plain, any color background, but it should not be matched with that flower. If you are taking a flower which is yellow in color and the background is also yellow in color, so it will not justify with the object. Now the problem will arise when you are going to click that picture if there is a background green and you are going to take a picture of a flower which is green. Normally it doesn't happen. If it happens, you have to take care of this. Either you take it. There is no such kind of flower which is in green color. But absolutely, if you are going to take a picture of any green color object, you try to find out the back side, at the backdrop. You should have opposite color or any other color than that color. Okay? Many times, if you do not get, try to put some cloth, try to put some paper. Is it? Naturally, if you are clicking a picture, it is not possible. But so you are taking care of the light, and the light which is giving you the appropriate reflection, and you are going to get. But not only the light. You know, when you go for doing photography, you need to take care of other things also. What is there? When you are using a camera, in this type of camera, there you will find there is a cap. By that cap, if you continuous click the picture, it won't come, because until and unless you will open this cap, the image will not form. Though nowadays this facility is there that until unless you will open this, you won't be able to view the object situation, position. Anyway, and when you are viewing the object by this side, you will find that you open this, it is not working. As soon as you will open the cap, you will find the object is visible. Okay, and the lens don't touch, but always keep it clean by nice clean clothes, and the precaution which you need to take care, that is, in your camera, if you are using film, find out that film is available or not, how many photographs you have clicked. If instead of film you are using memory card or memory chip, you find out, get the reading that how many photographs you have clicked and how many are left to do. Either you won't be able to get the picture if you are going to click a huge function or long time photography. So first we need to take care of light, then we need to take care of lens cover. Though there are so many cameras also which used to give the picture in viewfinder if you do not open the cap of the lens also. If you are doing it in mobile camera, then there is no issue. It will appear, you will able to see, then only click. Another thing, the battery or cell which we use for camera, you should have chargeable one. Before going for photography, you must charge fully the battery, and at least it should run for 3 hours. You know that initial stage when you are going to use the camera or mobile phone, in that one when you start it, in the beginning it used to take some time for arrange the operating system. So for that it will take some more energy from the battery. So if it is fully charged, it will better for you in able to do good photography without hesitation, without any obstacle. Is it? So it is battery. Now next, the object, as I have told you, you should take care. Another thing which is very important, that is composition. If you do not do proper composition, you cannot get good picture. What the composition will be there? When you hold the camera, you do not see the left side or right side, up side or below side. You just look at the camera and click the picture, because at that time your mind was for to click the picture. But when clicking picture, you must mind that the composition which is coming, which is appearing, how it is, how much space it is taking. Because many times when you concentrate on your object, at that time left side, right side, there is no balance, up side, below side, there is no balance. If there is no balance, then you are not going to get good picture. So what precaution you have to take care? First of all, the light which is coming from a source, that source must be from the back side of your camera, and your camera's lens cap should remain open. While clicking the picture, your memory card or the film which you are using inside the camera, it should be full with capacity. Next, the composition. One more thing which is very important, that is, while clicking a picture, you try to hold your camera tight enough so it will not disturb the image. Because when we click the picture, at that time the picture is still at its place. But when we are clicking by holding the camera, if we do not hold it properly, tightly, then it becomes safe. And when it becomes safe, due to that, the photograph which you are clicking, if it is important one, you are not going to get it, because it will become hazy image. Whatever focusing you do, if it is appearing hazy, the photograph is not going to do any work for you. Okay, so that is must or most important that you do while doing photography. You must not take any kind of shake in your hand while holding the camera or mobile phone, for both the cases. In mobile phone there is some sensors which used to adjust the blurriness, but it doesn't adjust. Many times if you are clicking, the camera or the mobile comes up to down or left to right or right to left, then also you won't get the picture. So you must hold it properly. When you are holding it properly, there is no chance to appear any kind of hazy picture. That moment you won't miss. So important one. And now see some photographs which is there for your betterment. And though I have told you I will show you some tricks, today I will show you some tricks.
You know what spreads faster than any virus? It's fear. Now when it comes to fear, you can either forget everything and run, I said or you can face everything and rise. I believe. And let me tell you what I believe. I believe that. I believe we gon' face everything and rise. We will win. you fall. It's how you get back up. And what don't kill us make us stronger, boy. Bet that up. Take a swing at us. You better hit hard. Cause when we swing back, it's like, oh God. It's time to knuckle up and fight hard. Now let's all buckle up and fight hard. Que Dios bendiga a todas tus familias, mi amigo. Se parta mandito, vamos a darle duro este video. Say it with me. I believe, say it with me. I believe that, say it with me. I believe that we will win. Say it. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say it. We can lose the battle, but we gon' win the war. I'm from the bottom, I'm that uncut, real raw. When things get tough, that's when we show up. That's when we show out. That's when we show y'all. It's time to knuckle up and fight hard. Now let's all buckle up and fight hard. Que Dios bendiga a todas tus familias, mi amigo. Se parta mandito, vamos a darle duro este video. Say it with me. I believe, say it with me. I believe that, say it with me. I believe that we will win. Say it. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will say it. I believe that we will win. Bottom line, no matter what, face everything and rise.
Favorite fitness DJ, Alan Mix Boy. Alan Mix Boy.
Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say I really don't think you're strong enough now. Do you believe in life after love? You say I really don't think you're strong enough now.
Tropical island breeze, all of nature wild and free. This is where I long to be. La isla bonita, and when the samba played, the sun was set so high, right through my ears and stink my eyes to Spanish lullaby. Tropical island breeze, all of nature wild and free. This is where I long to be. La isla bonita, and when the samba played, the sun was set so high, right through my ears and stink my eyes to Spanish lullaby. I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna love like I'm feeling coming together. People will see me cry. I'm gonna make it to heaven. Light up the sky like a flame. I'm gonna live forever. Baby, remember now. Just come on and you can dance right through your life. What I feel and make it happen. What I feel and make it happen. What I feel and make it happen. Just come on and you can dance right.
So, my dears, It's once reminder for you that before clicking a picture, before going for photography, how many things we need to know and take care of it. Number one, light should not fall on camera lens. Number two, the lens cap should remain open. Number three, camera should not shake. Number four, your battery which you are using or cell which you are using for energize or supply the power to the camera, it should fully charge or new battery. The memory card or the film which you are using, it should be enough in your hand so you can change if it is required for changing, either it is film or memory card or hard disk. Okay, so with these all we are going to see the photographs with the new composition, how you can create good photographs.